Good morning students, how are you all? Today we are going to solve worksheet number 6. Question number 1, choose the correct answer for each of the following question. There are dash interconnected lakes in Gadsiser. Gadsiser में कितने lakes interconnected थे? 7, 8 और 9. So there are 9 interconnected lakes. Gadsiser is dash today. Still there, no more, improving. So it is no more there. Children came to dash in the school on the ghat. Play, stay or study. So they came to study in the school on the ghats. Fill in the blanks. Every house in Rajasthan collected money. उन्होंने क्या collect किया था? Money. At Gadsiser, there are dash ghats in all around the lake. At Gadsiser, there are dash all around the lakes. There are ghats all around the lakes. Rainwater which falls on the roof of reach the underground tank. Rainwater जो roof पे collect होता है वो कहाँ पे जाता है? That reaches into underground tanks. Write true or false. Bridges have to brides have to worship the tape according to a custom in some cities. True. कुछ places पे ऐसा होता है कुछ cities में कि जो brides होती हैं उन्हें टेप की पूजा करनी पड़ती है यानी नल पूजा करनी पड़ती है. Right? Next, Sar means head. False. Sar means lake. Al-Biruni admired Indian for their skills for making ponds. True. Who built Gadsiser? Gadsiser was built by King Gatsi of Jaisalmer. For what did Al-Biruni give special importance in his writing? Al-Biruni gave special importance in his writing about ponds. Al-Biruni ने अपने स्पेशल राइटिंग्स में किसके बारे में लिख के दिया था? पॉन्ड्स के बारे में. राइट? In the olden days, what did people do when lakes filled up? जब lakes filled up हो जाते थे तब क्या करते थे? People gather around the lake to celebrate. वो लेक के आजू बाजू इकट्ठा होते थे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. Fill in the missing letters. Shortage, SHORTAGE, shortage. DRAWING, drawing. ARRANGEMENT, arrangements. Answer the following questions in detail. What is difference between an ordinary well and step well? अब ये दोनों में difference क्या है? Well, water is drawn with the help of rope and bucket. यानी well में से हम पानी रोप और बकेट से निकाल सकते हैं. और स्टेप वेल वाटर कैन बी रीच्ड बाय गोइंग डाउन द स्टेप. हमें स्टेप्स उतर के पानी तक पहुंचना है. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. When the well dried up in Darkimai's village, people had to dash. They have to leave the village. The other name of step well is dash, Baudi, Talab or Johards. It is Baudis. Water in dash is for one and all. So water in this earth is for one and all. Fill in the blanks. People have to stand in dash to get water from water tanks. It is Q. After the lake we built in Darkimai's village, the problem of water was less. True or false? Sometimes people fight for water. True. Number 2, electricity is not needed to pump water from a bore well. False. Some people put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline. True. Number 4, answer in one word or sentence. Who helped Darki Mai? Tarun Bharat Sangh helped Darki Mai. Where did Darki Mai live? Darki Mai lived in village in the Alwar district. Why do you think some people are not allowed to take water from common well? Because of their caste. कुछ जगह पे कास्टिज्म होता है तो वहाँ गरीबों को पानी लेना अलाउड नहीं होता है और अनटचेबल पीपल को भी पानी लेना अलाउड नहीं होता है. Fill in the missing letters. D-I-R-E-C-T-L-Y directly. S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S sometimes. G-O-V-E-R-M-E-N-T government. Answer the following in details. Explain the reasons for well drying up in Punita's area. पुनीता के एरिया में वेल्स क्यों ड्राई हो गए थे? द रीजन फॉर वेल्स ड्राइंग अप आर वाटर बीइंग पम्प्ड अप फ्रॉम अंडरग्राउंड विद इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स, क्योंकि अंडरग्राउंड वाटर जो था वो इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स का यूज करके बाहर निकाला जा रहा था. द लेक्स इन विच रेन वाटर यूज टू कलेक्ट आर नो लॉन्गर. जो लेक्स वहाँ थे वो सूख के वो जगह पे रास्ते बन गए या तो फिर घर बन गए, तो वो लेक्स बिल्कुल भी नहीं बचे थे. द सॉइल अराउंड ट्रीज एंड पार्क्स इज नाउ कवर्ड विद सीमेंट. जो एरिया में सॉइल थी ट्रीज के आजू बाजू वहाँ सब जगह पे सीमेंट लगा दी गई थी. तो क्या होगा उससे? पानी जो है, रेन वाटर जो है वो सॉइल के थ्रू ग्राउंड में नहीं जा सकता था. राइट. सो दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई द वेल्स started drying up in Punita's area. With this we complete our worksheet. Thank you and have a nice day, children. After watching the video, children, you have to write questions and answers you have to write without seeing. Right? Thank you and have a nice day, children.